What's up everybody? So today we're excited to showcase the latest feature coming to Chatbase, integration with Instagram. This will allow you to connect your custom chatbots to Instagram where they can provide support to your customers on the Instagram platform. You can also use it to communicate with potential leads and drive new people into your sales funnel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up this integration step by step. If this is your first time hearing about Chatbase, Chatbase allows you to build custom AI chatbots for your business trained on your own data using your website, Notion, or anything else. You can create customer support agents, sales agents, and so much more. If you're not already a Chatbase user, you can sign up for free at chatbase.co to create your own account. That way you can follow along with this tutorial. For you to get a better idea of how to use Chatbase, I'll link a full walkthrough video that explores all of Chatbase's features in detail. It'll be in the description of this video. We're super excited about this new Instagram integration because every month over 2 billion people use Instagram. It's incredibly popular, and this integration will allow you to automate communication on the platform using the latest AI models. After you've watched this video, your custom chatbot will be fully integrated with Instagram and it'll be ready to serve your customers. All you need is your computer and your chatbot. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so we're inside my computer. To begin, you need to be inside your chatbot's dashboard. So from the main dashboard here inside your account, click on your chatbot. If you don't see one, you still need to make one. So first, click on the chatbot you want to integrate with Instagram. Now find the Connect tab in the menu and click on Integrations inside the submenu. As you can see, there's now an Instagram option that you can select. If you're interested, we also have videos breaking down how to integrate WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger with your chatbot. I'll link those videos in the description as well. Before we do connect, you need to make sure your Instagram account is ready for the connection. So first, make sure you have a professional Instagram account, then go to your account settings. Go to Messages inside of the Interaction section and go to Connect Tools and toggle on Allow Access to Messages. Now go back to Chatbase. Click Connect under Instagram to begin the setup process. Click I understand and then click on Continue. Now log into your account if you have to. I'm already logged in. And now choose the business account that is associated with your Instagram page. Now choose the Facebook page linked to your Instagram account. And now select the Instagram page or pages that you want to integrate. Click Save, and now your account should be fully connected. As you can see, you can now click Manage here, and it will allow you to see which Instagram accounts you've connected to the chatbot. Now you can enable human takeover for specific conversations when using Instagram. To do this, navigate to the chat logs and then filter by Instagram. Click this human takeover icon to disable chatbot interactions. Then you can easily restore access to the chatbot by clicking the icon again. Now you can open up Instagram and chat with your chatbot. So let's do that. See, I can ask it, how can you help me? And it's giving me a custom answer based on the training data I provided it for this example business. Your chatbot now works perfectly through Instagram. You can also connect additional Instagram accounts very easily if you wanted to scale this. Okay guys, there you have it. That is the Instagram integration for Chatbase. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you have any questions about how to use Chatbase, drop a comment. If you like this video at all, please drop a like so that the algorithm will introduce Chatbase to more people. And make sure you follow to stay up to date on all the latest Chatbase changes. We drop new videos every single week and we're always rolling out new features. If you still haven't tried Chatbase, make sure you go to chatbase.co to create an account for free and make your own chatbot within just a few minutes. If you're wondering how you can use Chatbase in your business, watch some of our other videos. There's lots of awesome ideas that you could implement for your own business. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.